Hello Rockstar! Welcome to finding my YouTube channel. My name is Obapa Igladeche. I am an entrepreneur and I am a journalist. I also partner with this amazing manufacturing company which is manufacturing products in Asia. It has been in existence for over 34 years now, and this organization is asking you to use their products and get paid every week. Now, if you are looking for a means of totally transforming your life with your daily activities, your daily lifestyle, like drinking water, like hitting the gym, this is the channel for you. So in today's video, I introduce you to our Alkaline mobile water treatment tank, which treats your water base from acid to alkaline. Now, if this is your first time, feel free to subscribe to this channel, and you can also smash on the notification button to get notified anytime I post valuable content. You see, doctors have been advising us to drink quality water. Now, by quality water, they mean water that can help, water that aids in your development, in your growth, in health-wise, and keeps your body moving. Now, they advise that we drink water, glasses of water every day. Now, what kind of water exactly are you consuming, especially in Ghana, where our water bodies are polluted by these illegal mining activities? Are you drinking quality water? Are you drinking acid-based water or alkaline-based water? Acid-based water is just the opposite of alkaline-based water. Alkaline water is ionized, okay, which means that there is an increase in the pH level of any alkaline water. Now, alkaline water has positive impacts on you. That is, it helps reduce cholesterol levels, it prevents cancer, it aids in weight loss, it boosts the immune system, and helps in bone resorption. So this cup, which is a product of my company here, is to provide you with alkaline water only if you use the cup. It's easy to carry, and you can use this cup for about 20 years. It has filters which are used in filtering your water, and you can use the cup anytime, any day. Make sure you do not keep the cup close to fire to destroy else the cup. But whenever you buy this cup, is new in box, and you'd have to activate the tourmaline stones, so the stones activate your water anytime to quench your thirst. How do you activate your cup? You need to boil water and fill your cup with this boiled water. Cover it and shake the bottle. Now, when you shake the cup, you pour the water out. You repeat the activity to be sure the cup gets activated. But one most simple and easiest means of finding out if your cup is activated is to use the pH reactor, which was found in the cup when you bought it. Aside the pH reactor, there is also the pH indicator card, which aids you to actually know if you are closer, the water you're drinking is closer to a pH based, to an alkaline based water. So if the color turns from blue to deep blue to purple, then it means that your water is actually alkaline charged. Now Rockstar, it is necessary you subscribe to this channel to be the first to get notified on contents I provide. And if in this video you have seen value, kindly smash on the like button to get me motivated to bring you more of these quality information for you to make a decision on the lifestyle you want to live. Now I have other videos, you can check up on them, description them, and you can check up on them every week. So let's find out how water from the alkaline cup will fare with other sources of water. In this video I picked 3 sources of water, which is pipe-borne water and 2 treated waters from trusted brands in Ghana, and I am going to drop 2 solution, that is a pH reactor, in each of the glasses, and we are going to find out the color it's going to emit. And I did not choose these brands to mar their name, but I only wanted us to know if these treated waters were good enough for us to drink. So as we shake the water in the glass, let's do same with water from the alkaline treated tank, and let's find out which ones it's more advisable for consumption. So from our review, it can be inferred that treated water in the sachet was neutral because it gave us a green kind of light green kind of color. And looking at how the Ghana water, Ghana is faced with galamsey activities, a thumbs up to the Ghana Water Company Limited. You've done a yeoman's job, and I'm really proud of you. The third source of water, which is the treated bottled water, was alkaline based because it emitted a bluish color for us. Okay, we had a bluish color, and let's take a look at the classic style alkaline cup, and that gave us a more blue color, which indicated that it has a higher percentage based in alkaline. So its percentage in alkaline is quite high due to how blue it is. That when you use the alkaline based cup, the company pays you for using the cup, for also recommending the products to other friends, family and friends. It is a good thing, I recommend to you. But you see, when you drink from the other sources of water, the company does not pay you. The company knows you know. Of the 4 sources of water would you like to drink from? Let me know your answer below in the comment section. And if I have provided you with value, Rockstar, which I know I have, feel free, like this video and leave me a comment below. So next time we are going to talk about the distributorship in the organization, how the company gets its products into the country and how it's shared amongst distributors and consumers as well. Mind you that any amount of money you use in buying products, you get the same amount in the tune of product. Now, until I come by your way some other time, don't forget to smash on the notification button and get notified anytime I post valuable content. My name is Obapa Ikuajachi. I am an entrepreneur and a journalist. Until I come back your way some other time, it's goodbye for now. See you. Bye.